Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T and on today's video we'll be doing an unboxing of a... Forgive me if I pronounce their name wrong, but I think it's BYANE. 3-pack, 1-pack chainsaw bar set for the stihl ms170. Comes with 3 chains. See, this is 16 bar. Yep, 16 bar. Go ahead and open it up. Trying to find my old bar. I think they're the same. Yeah, it is. So. Alright. Well, they're the same, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these chains on my old bar, because I don't want to use the new bar yet. And, hopefully, they don't mind. They did send me it to review. But it's kind of wasteful to not use my old bar. We'll see how good that chain is ground. Kit. Of course, we're just using the chain right now, but we'll get to use the bar in one of their chains. From factory, the chain is pretty sharp, so that's good, and we'll definitely be testing it out in upcoming videos. So hit that subscribe button, go check out their website. I'll put a link in the comments or the description to the website. Go check them out. Tell them I sent you. Go check out some bars and chainsaws. Bars, and yeah, catch you on the next one. Thanks everyone for stopping by.